how to sync Wrike stacks to Microsoft Excel. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can um sync Wrike stacks to Microsoft Excel, and it is very simple. By syncing it to Microsoft Excel, you'll be keeping your tax management and reporting streamlined, and it would enable you to make your work on Wrike very efficient. And here is how to do it. The first step is to sign in into your Wrike account, and then once you're signed in, move to the top left corner where you can see the Wrike logo. Next to it, you'll see your profile icon. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, go ahead and select apps and integrations. Then after selecting apps and integrations, you will brought to the stage page where you see different apps. So here at the top part of the screen, so you'd see gallery, Write sync, Write integrate, authorize apps. Just go ahead and click on Write sync, and here you can see the different steps available. So once you can see this, the next step is to go ahead and select Microsoft Excel or click on Get Write Syncs so that it can allow you work with Cognito and sync your work in other tools. Without you getting Write Sync, you'll not be able to integrate with Microsoft Excel. Alright, so for me, my network is currently bad, so it's not going through. But for you, just click on Get Write Sync. Now, after getting Write Sync, you're from there. You will see a list of apps which Excel is part of. Ensure you select Excel. After selecting Excel, it will be synced, and then from there you can continue with your work. Ensure you read the on-screen instruction properly so as to avoid unnecessary mistakes. So that is it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and ensure you have a great time.